Precision infrastructure design starts here. MicroStation provides comprehensive tools for 3D modeling and documentation. See how it empowers engineers and designers to visualize, analyze, and deliver complex projects efficiently. Easily create your own configuration space. Open the Configuration Creator where you can easily navigate between configurations, workspaces, and worksets. Additionally, you can create new configurations, workspaces, and worksets. Creating a new workset allows you to add a name as well as a description. The creator will fill in the location and folders automatically based on the given name. You can also edit anything you have previously created by clicking the pencil icon in the top right of the dialog. Ensure your project meets your standards. In the File tab, we can change file settings ranging from design preferences to the working units being used in the model. There are limitless ways you can customize your project here. View Attributes allows you to customize your view windows, such as removing the grid. Next, we will open the Level Manager, which allows you to create and organize levels by name as well as color, line style, and more. This will ensure elements are organized both within the manager and within the design. In addition to levels, you can create templates based on level symbology. These allow you to define drawing presets before placing an element, providing another level of detail and organization within your project. Create your own tools with Python Assistant. The Python editor allows you to create custom tools to assist you throughout your design process. We will create a DGN manager as an example. With the new Python Assistant, we can easily create a code for this, even without coding experience. First, navigate to the Python editor in the Utilities tab of the ribbon. Once this is open, click Create New Project. Type in a file name and click Save. Now we will write our prompt. Can you create a tool that allows the user to visualize all the DGN files in the current folder? Select one of them and open the file. Please also add a button called Next to open the next file in the folder, and a button called Previous to open the previous file in the folder. After we finish typing, we will click the blue Enhance button that allows the assistant to alter the prompt to make it easier to code. When this is done, click Send. The assistant will now generate a script for you to copy. Once this is complete, you can scroll to the bottom to see both an explanation of the code and the assistant's confidence in it. Click Copy and paste the file into the middle window. Then click Run. Per the script, a window now appears that allows us to switch DGN files. Select a file and click Open. As you can see, the selected file is now open and visible in View 1. We can go back to the tool now and click Next to switch to the next DGN file in the folder. Work in real geospatial environments. In the Coordinate System dialog, you can choose from our library of systems covering regions all over the world. The library is organized by type and location to help you select the perfect coordinate system for your project. Additionally, once you select a coordinate system, the window will display a pink overlay of the specific region on the map on the right-hand side of the window. Once you have attached a coordinate system to the project, you can use the Search Location tool to look up an address or landmark and instantly navigate to that location without manual panning and zooming. We can use attach tools to attach references to our projects such as DG and files to provide context. Note how our bridge file appears into view perfectly aligned with our coordinate system. In addition to references, we can attach Google 3D tiles or Cesium World terrain to provide even more context for our model. Quickly transform a 2D background map into three-dimensional data. By effortlessly streaming reality data directly into any view, you can instantly visualize your models in a real-world environment. Utilize custom parametric modeling. MicroStation's parametric modeling enables the creation of intelligent 3D models. Instead of drawing static geometry, you build designs with embedded rules and relationships that can be modified at any point in the process. It begins with parametric solids, which are generated from 2D profiles. These are not static objects. They are feature-based. Elements like fillets, chamfers, and holes are defined by parameters that can be edited later. When a parameter is changed, the solid model updates accordingly. Direct manipulation of the model is a core feature. You can select faces, edges, or points and use on-screen handles to push or pull the geometry into a new form. You can also make parametric arrays. If you modify the original source object, every instance in the array updates automatically, allowing for rapid iteration of complex assemblies. For advanced control, you can apply variables to define key dimensions and constraints. By assigning names to these parameters, you can drive significant changes throughout the model by simply updating a variable's value. This method is highly effective for creating design variations and for standardizing reusable components as parametric cells. You build one adaptable model, not dozens of rigid ones. Support BIM workflows adding intelligence with business data. Properties allow you to add detailed information to every element within your design. This includes things such as identification, material, and dimensions for each item. Onboard easily with Bentley Copilot. In the new Bentley Copilot tool, you can access memories management through the button in the top right-hand corner of the window. Here, you can enable memories and create a new group. We will call it My Context. Within this group, we will add a new memory telling the assistant we are a former AutoCAD user. The assistant will now keep this in mind for all future responses while activated. As an example, we will navigate to the bottom of the tool and ask Copilot the best way to create a surface with a set of parallel curves. After entering our question, we will hit Send. Bentley Copilot will think briefly and provide an answer complete with directions, images, and references, and even provides the tool's counterpart in AutoCAD due to our memory. The assistant can help answer any questions you have along the way, and you can create new memories to increase its effectiveness. Design drawings that update in real time. MicroStation ensures consistent drawings with its 2D drawing model. It's a separate one-to-one scale space just for your annotations, dimensions, and notes. The entire point is to separate your core 3D design from your 2D documentation, which forces organization. Your 3D model stays clean, used only for design. All your annotations live in the drawing model where they belong. This completed drawing model is then placed onto a sheet model, your digital piece of paper, which scales it and adds the border and title block for the final deliverable. This creates a direct link. When you change the 3D design, the 2D drawing model automatically updates. Every connected dimension, note, and detail fixes itself across every sheet. You don't have to hunt down changes manually. This workflow eliminates the leading cause of outdated information on construction documents. Here we can see the three-dimensional design model on the left next to the sheet model on the right. Notice that as we change our variation from the wide bridge to the narrow bridge in the design model, the sheet automatically updates to reflect the change. Produce reports to enrich your output production. Reporting in MicroStation lets you create custom tables with total control. Select which elements are involved, what sorting rules are applied, and what fields are reported. You can preview your report at any time to ensure that it correctly reflects what you are trying to show. Additionally, you can export the table to Excel for further manipulation and analysis, or place it directly into your design. Reports are dynamically linked to the properties of objects in your design. This means that if you change a component in your model, the corresponding report or table automatically updates. These tables are fully customizable from text to table style. Once the table is placed, there is a whole tab dedicated to table layout. Here you can change table symbology, size, and so much more. This allows you to create the best table to illustrate whatever it is you are trying to show. MicroStation reports ensure that everyone is working with the most current and accurate information, which helps keep all stakeholders informed and on the same page. Visualize your model with photorealistic renderings. MicroStation provides a comprehensive suite of rendering tools to transform 3D design models into photorealistic visualizations. While it includes an extensive library of physically based materials, advanced camera settings for effects like depth of field, and post-processing controls, its primary strength for design validation lies in environmental and lighting simulation. A critical aspect of realism is the accurate depiction of environmental light. MicroStation offers precise control over solar lighting. The sun's position can be defined geographically by specifying a location, date, and time of day, or it can be adjusted manually by setting its direct azimuth and altitude. This is coupled with a physically accurate sky model, allowing users to simulate atmospheric conditions from a clear day to an overcast one. These granular controls are essential for conducting accurate shadow studies and evaluating a design's material appearance under different real-world lighting conditions. And with the ability to select your view, you have total control. This allows stakeholders to visualize a project with clarity, validate aesthetic choices, and make more informed decisions long before construction begins. Make informed decisions with iTwin. An iTwin is a digital representation of a physical asset, process, or system. It's not just a 3D model, it's a dynamic, cloud-based platform that unifies all your project data. Think of it as a single source of truth, where engineering data, reality capture, and even live IoT data come together. So how does your work in MicroStation become part of this digital twin? It's simple. MicroStation features a built-in iTwin synchronizer. With this tool, you can push your design changes from your desktop directly to the iModel within the Bentley Infrastructure Cloud. This creates a live connection, ensuring that your digital twin is always up to date with the latest design information. It's a seamless way to collaborate and keep the entire project team on the same page. iTwins enable better informed decisions at every stage of the asset lifecycle. You can visualize and track changes run simulations, and detect clashes before they become costly problems. By providing a holistic view of your project, iTwins enhance collaboration, reduce rework, and minimize risk. It's about delivering better projects, faster and more efficiently than ever before. Ready to turn your visions into realities? MicroStation empowers you with precision, collaboration, and innovation at every step. See what MicroStation can do for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the MicroStation channel to keep up with news and tutorials.